Hi, I'm Jen, welcome to the channel. So, you've watched my basic cheesecake video. Now, if you're starting to feel confident in making a basic vanilla cheesecake, let's see if you're ready for jazzing it up. I'm going to show you some of the cheesecakes I've already made, and I'm also going to talk you through some fast toppings that are so easy you wouldn't believe it. Don't worry, it won't take 3 hours.
Top to the bop, to the bop, to the top.
Okay, no,
What?
no.
It's as easy as opening a jar. Curds and jams are the easiest way to create a topping. The one in this video is a passion fruit curd, which I'll try at some point to make from scratch. If you use jams, try ones with a thinner consistency. If you can't find one, then all you do is put the jam in a pot with a little water and heat it up. Keep an eye out for interesting curds, jams and coulis next time you go shopping. The next topping ideas are chocolates and caramels. You could melt the chocolate or even just crush it. You could even use ice cream toppings. Don't knock this because it's simple. I once made a guy a Bailey's cheesecake by melting my Bailey's Easter egg, and he nicknamed it Cheesecake of Glory. Sometimes the simplest methods are the best methods. This brings me to my next topping ideas, fruits and nuts. You could go fancy on a display like I did when I made these strawberry roses. I learned how to do this by watching Florence Yoon's video. It's super easy and looks awesome. All you do is cut a thin edge nearly to the bottom and then pull slightly away from the rest of the strawberry. Work your way around and remember to overlap your strawberry petals. I find fresh fruit is the best for a cheesecake, with maybe a little coulis drizzled on top. For nuts, you can't beat pecan and maple syrup cheesecake. Honey roasted cashew nuts are also good at a pinch, just sprinkle on top. Write in the comments how you spruce up your basic vanilla cheesecake and I'll see you down there. So remember, whatever topping you decide on, just remember what Hi Michael said.
Whatever happens, it's cool, ladies. It's very cool.
Riding on a groovy wave of love, I'm going for a cosmic ride. Surf the freaky purple vibes of love, the marshmallow cat is inside.